Hey guys, so welcome back to day three of my Build With Me challenge. And today I actually built something powerful for you guys, an AI HR agent that automates pre-screening processes for job applications. If you have ever been part of the HR team or you've worked with recruiters, you actually know how stressful it is to manually read through hundreds of CVs every single day. So this workflow really handles everything on autopilot. So now let me break it down for you guys what this workflow actually does. So this workflow scans your email for any new job applications, then it automatically downloads all these attached CV, resume, or whatever document is attached to these job applications. Then it reads the document with AI and also extract useful information, the skills, the experience, the educations, every details needed for the AI agent. Then also it also scores each candidate based on how well they fit into this role. And finally, it logs everything into these Google Sheets. Yeah, into this Google Sheet. So it logs everything into this Google Sheet for easy review. That means instead of spending 3 to 4 hours manually screening CVs, resumes, then HR teams can actually focus on interviewing qualified people. So let me just walk you through, guys, how I was able to build this workflow one step at a time. So I completely built this workflow on inside n8n, and let me explain what each node does. So it started with the Gmail trigger node, and this is where it all starts. It watches my Gmail inbox and looks out for specifically emails with subjects like applications for XYZ roles or those that actually have attachments like CVs or resumes. Then the moment a new email enters or lands into my email, this workflow fires automatically. Then I have the test classifier here. That's now what this test classifier does is every email comes with an attachment is a CV. Some could actually be spam. Okay, so what this test classifier does is not every emails come with an attachment is a CV. Some could actually want stuff. So I use this AI classifier here. It looks at the subject and body of the email and decides whether this is a job applications or ignore this one if not a job application. So that's why I have apply that it moves to the apply what's called. And if it's not under a job application, the candidate is not a job application. That's from my description. Then I use the system prompt. Please classify the text provided by the user into one of the following categories. Then I attach it to my OpenAI chat model. I'm using the 4.0 mini. So I have the switch node here. Um, I have the switch node here that is attached to my workflow. I also have these operations do nothing here. So I also have a switch node here, and what this switch node actually does is it just routes the flow. If the email is indeed an applications, it continue, and if it's nothing, it just stop the operation, no operation. Then I have what's called the extraction of file, where I upload my file, what's called to the Google Drive. I created a new drive and a new folder where it's going to upload this CV, and this is where things get interesting. If there's a CV attached to it, we actually extract the text from it using the n8n extraction from PDF node. Then I uploaded the CV file to Google Drive and automatically generates a shareable link. So at this point, I have both the CV test um, and also the file link, which is here. I have the file link here. So that's just it about this. workflow. Then I have the mesh nodes, and this mesh nodes combines everything together, both the extracted CV test and the candidate emails and name from the Gmail account. So, and they also the drive link all into a single object that we are going to feed our AI agent in the next step. Then the AI agent, here's where the magic happen. Now, the AI agent reads the CV like an actual recruiter. It understands what skills the candidate has, how many years of experience, their current role, their education certifications, and so on. Then it automatically scores the candidate based on how good the person is for the job, what is their skill for match score, what is their experience score, their education score, and overall fit rating from 0 to 100. So I told the AI to always return its output as JSON format. So now here's the system prompt I use for this. Maybe the tutorial I'm going to drop the system prompt alongside the tutorial I will be dropping in a few days to come. Then have access to the system prompt. Then it's also attached to my OpenAI chat model. Then also attached to my structural output parser. Here's the JSON what's called I use because I don't want too many information. I only want the first name, which is on this Google sheet right here. The last name, the email contents, summary of the person's CV, the link to the person's CV, and the overall scoring that our AI agent did, and quick read about what this candidate has. Now, from here, now we have the candidate has over 4 years of relevant experience in operation management, blah blah stuff like that. So that's just it about this AI agent, and also it's attached to my Google Sheet where I update everything about this client. I think I've shown you guys the overall scoring, age, experience score. So here's where you have access to the client information, everything you need to know about the client, and to know whether you're going to continue depending on their overall score or the client is not going to continue. So this is going to cut out the number of time you waste spending reviewing each CV each. Now, um, the scoring logic is very simple but powerful. The skills that has the highest weight has 60% experience, 25% education, then their technical skills, achievement score, and so on. So the AI reads the job descriptions, compares to the candidate background, and scores them accordingly over 10. So if you have 100 applications, you see the top 10 in less than 2 minutes. So what tools or API do I use for these automations? I use n8n for the workflow automation. Then I also use the Gmail API for fetching new applications. Then I also use the Google Drive API for file upload and sharing. Then I also use the Google Sheet API for storing results. And I also use the OpenAI API for resume analysis and scoring. So I also have the structured output parser that I use to have a clean text extraction. And everything connects beautifully through n8n. No coding required. So since one thing I'll tell you is that since this deals with personal data, I want you guys to handle it responsibly. Don't share candidates info publicly. Store it securely. Limit who can access this particular Google Sheet right here. And if you are working in Nigeria, Europe, or whatever country, you comply with the GDPR or any data privacy regulations available in your country. So this system can actually save HR teams hours every single day. Imagine hiring a company getting 200 applications daily. This workflow can actually review all of them in under 5 minutes, extract insights, and hand over only qualified candidates to the recruiter. So this is not just automation, this is a real business value. So if you found this valuable, I want you to drop a comment saying you found it valuable. And if you want me to share the exact anytime template prompt and JSON schema, just send me a DM and I'm going to share it to you. And remember, I'm building something new every single day. That means for the next 30 days, I'll be building real AI automation projects And today is day two. So I'm going to see you guys in day three. And make sure you follow along if you want to level up your automation game. Tomorrow I'm building something more crazier. And until then, see you guys.